My name is Carolyn Duncan. I'm an attorney with Duncan Legal, and we practice in the Denver metro area, Arapahoe, Douglas, Jefferson, and Denver counties. Today I'm going to talk about family law and what are the 3 myths about child custody or parental responsibilities. So myth number 1, mother always gets custody of the children. Well, 10, 15, even 20 years ago, we followed the tender years doctrine. That's where we did believe that a child of a young age should be with their mother so they can develop them and nurture them and get them started well in their life. But now we've developed into the best interest standard. So that means mom or dad can have custody of the children because we're doing what's in their best interest. There's no presumption that one parent is a better parent than the other one. Myth number 2, if I have a 50-50 parenting plan, then I'm not going to pay child support. That depends. It depends on whether you are the higher wage earner or not. So we do a calculation for child support. If you have a 50-50 parenting plan, you're going to be on a worksheet B. So that means for every overnight you have beyond 92, your child support's going to go down. However, we base child support on gross income. That's before the taxes are paid. Who's paying the medical insurance and any other extraordinary expenses that are included. So if you are the higher wage earner and there is a large gap between you and the other spouse, even though you have a 50-50 parenting plan, you will be paying child support. Myth number 3. When my child reaches the age of 14, they have the absolute right to pick what parent they're going to live with. That could be true in other states. I know it's true in Georgia. At the age of 12, a child gets to say who they want to live with. I know it's true in Nebraska, but it's not true in Colorado. In Colorado, we use the best interest standard. So even though your child is 14 or 15, the court may find that it's in the best interest they reside with the other parent. So at that point, the older a child gets, the more input they have, but a court doesn't have to follow what the child wants, and the child doesn't have the absolute right to say, I want to live with mom or I want to live with dad. So when we're dealing with our children and trying to come up with parenting plans, we are uniform in the law, but each individual household is different. So what your next door neighbor has as their parenting plan doesn't mean you're going to get the exact same thing. Call Duncan Legal, schedule an appointment, and let's talk about your options.